Hey everybody, Jesse Knapp here for the Knapp Vemma team, and this tutorial is going to be me showing you guys how to create your own website. Now, if you want me to create a website for you, that's definitely not a big deal, and you can go to our Knapp Vemma team Facebook page, which you can get to actually right here on this Facebook icon, and go into the master document, and there's a technology section of that where it details how to contact me to build your website. But if you would like to build your own website and have it more custom and be able to maintain it yourself, I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So what you're going to do is you're going to sign into your account. Now, if you're a customer, it's going to be the customer account page, and along this left panel here on that customer page is going to be a manage website section, and that'll take you to the same place that this does. So we click on manage website, and this is how you edit your website information. Now, the very first thing you should do is change your web handle. Now, our web handle was originally Fire Chief Knapp because your web handle is just automatically set as your username. But we thought that Knapp was an easier thing to remember and tell people, so we checked if Knapp was available. If I wanted to see if elephant.vemma.com was available, I would type elephant in there, and if it turns green, it's available. If it turns red, it is not. So we are knapp.vemma.com, and it's going to stay as knapp.vemma.com. So whatever you want to change it to, just type it in right there, and if it turns green, that is available, and elephant.vemma.com is apparently available. So the next thing you want to do is change your profile picture. So what you're going to do is you're just going to choose a file. You can look around on the files on your computer for a picture that you want to display right here on the top left there, and that's how you change your profile picture. Now you can just enter your contact information, and anything you want to display on the site, you just click little check marks right next to this. We chose to just put the name up there, so that's why none of those are checked. Now here on the info box, you can check or uncheck things that you want to show or not show. I find it helpful to just check all of them because all of them are quality contributions to your site. Now over here on the left side, you can see the banners. Now these banners are just the things that show up right here, right at the top of your content. Now Vemma has a lot of high definition and nice pictures of all of their different products and opportunities, so we haven't changed the banners yet. Maybe down the road we'll put in some custom banners, but if you want to put in custom banners, you can. If you want to take out the banners, just uncheck these, and if you want to change their order, obviously type in the order number. But now the theme here on the right side, this is the most important part because this is what is responsible for the color scheme and everything on your website. Now, you can see the background image is this flame pattern. If you want a background image, first of all, make sure it's a very big picture, big enough to be a full stretch wallpaper. If you're looking for, say, for the sake of the example, elephants, you would type in elephant wallpaper on Google Images. Whatever you want, type in wallpaper after it to make sure it's a big picture, so it's not really pixelated on your site. But you're going to choose that file, and then you're going to come down here and make all of your colors. Now, if you choose the file and then change the colors, the file goes away and you have to do it again. But which is why you want to choose the file last. But if you want to change your colors other than the preset color schemes that you can use, what you're going to do is you're going to go to colorpicker.com. Now, what this is going to enable you to do is you can move this dot around and move these two arrows around to change the different colors, and you can use all 16 million colors that are available using these codes through this. You can change the parts, you can customize how many parts of each hue are in here, and things of that nature. So once you've found a color you like, let's say we like a light blue color here, you can see that there's a code up here. That code is the hexadecimal code for that color. So you highlight that, and you're going to Control-C, copy, paste it into here. I'm not going to do that, but you're just going to copy it into here and make sure there's a pound sign after it. If you've been successful, this little box here will change the color that you picked. So you're going to do all that, and you're going to click Save. That'll save the color scheme and appearance of your website. And that's all that's on this page. So let's go on to the next tab, the Profile tab. So this is just two different styles of the portfolio. And these three images you see here, and you can see the choose file buttons. Those are just custom images, and I'll show you what I mean by that. So if you go down here to the success profile, you'll be able to see that these are 3 custom images, one of when Jim was just a little toddler there, of that we have on our computer that we uploaded to the success profile. Now, another part of the success profile you can see is the About Me and Why I Do This sections. So you edit that in the About Me and My Why sections. And after you're done editing anything, you're just going to go ahead and click Save. And there's also other things, questions on the sidebar and the left side banner you can change and things of that nature. But this is just kind of the nuts and bolts of what you're really going to need to change. So your video here, you can go with a custom video. You can use the embedding code from youtube.com, which I believe is just the YouTube link, but there's an embed link on every YouTube video as well. But you can use that as your custom video, and that will be displayed. Hold on, you have to go back to the homepage to see it. There is a Play My Video section right beneath the profile picture. See right there. The Play My Video section, you're going to click on Play My Video, and if you have your custom video set up, then it will play that video for them. So that's just kind of your video, and you can do all sorts of different videos that Vemma puts out, which are high quality videos. Now, the connections, this is a very important part of your website, because this is how they contact you on social networks. As you can see here, you can get to Facebook and Twitter. If we click on the Twitter, it'll take us to the Knapp Vemma Team Twitter page. This is a great place to send people so they can get onto your social networks. So the way you configure that is you just type in your Twitter username or the URL to your Facebook profile, and you click Save whenever you edit one of those. Now, the blog is something which we have not started, but definitely will soon. So you click on the blog, and it takes you to a different page, and I will show you a page that does blog. We'll go to sarverwellness.vemma.com. That is our star ambassador, Dan Sarver, the big leader of our team. And as you can see, he wrote about Parkinson's disease. Now, he's a doctor, so he knows a lot about disease and whatnot, but he writes his own blogs on his website so other people can see kind of a more customized message. So that's how you blog, and that's basically all of the little things on your website. And your website is a great place to send people, just real quick if they want to buy product, or if they want to get to your social networks, or just want to stay connected. And that's about it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you rate the video, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more tutorials similar to this one. See ya.